One of the secret of growing your business, the secret I'll give you just one. One of the secret is saving every day. Yes, just save every day. Even if it's 500 naira you can save on daily basis. Save every day. 500, 1k, 2k. Make sure you save every day. If you save 1k on daily basis, maybe your business is very small and you just want to grow it. If you can be able to save up to 1k every day, at the end of the month, at least you're sure of 30k. Very simple. Believe me, the best way to grow your business is just by saving. Save that little that will not hurt your business. You know, your business is a baby. You need to treat your business as a baby. Save, even if it's 1k, 2k, or 3k. If you can have the strength of saving 300k every month, at the end, every day, if you can save up to 3k on daily basis, that means at the end of the month, you're expecting 90k. Very simple. A lot of you are spending up to 4k every day. Yes. And at the end of the month, you still be crying for money. You cannot be able to solve a problem of 50k. So business is not all about solving your problem. Sometimes you need to plan for the business. And take notes. If you have been able to save up to this, maybe for a year, you're able to save up to 3k every day for a year, you definitely be talking about close to a million naira. And if you get up to that a million naira, don't use it for other things. Invest it on the business. Okay? Initiate new product. I have other things to tell you, but try your best to follow this page, like and comment whatever thing or any question you have, or if you feel that my suggestion is not right, you can go on to tell us what you think about it. Thank you very much for watching this one. Do have a nice day.